Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you guys. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Microsoft Message Queue server feature on this Windows 11 PC. So this is also called as the MSMQ, basically means the Microsoft Message Queue server. So this is how you can easily enable it. Click the Windows key on your keyboard. You will find Windows feature on or off, clicking that. Then in the list, scroll down until where you'll find the Microsoft Message Queue server. So check this box. You can also expand it to see what's under there. If you want to do something specific, you can do so. Otherwise, just simply go ahead and leave it as is. And once you do, click on OK. It's going to search for the required files and apply it. And then once this is done, go ahead and restart your PC. And then you can use the service. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.